What's up, you guys? Back again for another unboxing video. Check this out. Look, we got the little tank right here. This is a 3-gallon tank. Look, we had some more babies in there. Look, the other mother had the babies, so we got way more than 18 in there. It's about 50 fish in there. So you know what we had to do? We had to go out and we had to buy another tank. That's right. We bought the TopFin all-in-one aquarium starter kit. This is actually a 10-gallon tank. You see this tank, you guys? Look, it's a 10-gallon tall. It's actually 10 gallons. This thing is about 20 inches tall. And this is how it'll look once you get it all set up. We're going to set ours up differently. So basically, we're going to unbox it. I bought this nice big flower right here. This goes inside the tank. It's real heavy too. So once I go in there, it's going to be right there so the fish can all move around the tank. And you always want to buy some extra filters, the power filters. TopFin. TopFin is some good products. Make sure you guys check that out. Let's open this baby up. I don't have my grandpa knife today, so we got to use scissors. So open that baby up and get them scissors out the way. Oh, the top just comes right off. You see that, guy? Top comes right off. Oh, I guess I can show you. It's supposed to have, it's got everything in it. It's got the hood, the tank, the filter, the thermometer, the air filter, and it has the regular filters I just showed you I bought. So on the back, right inside the hood, you'll see the hood. Right inside the top, you'll see the hood. And so we take that out. Let me move this off to the side. And you can see there's the top right there. And basically what you do is you push that down. You can feed the fish right through the top. The back, you have lights already built in. So you got your LED lights right here. And that's the top of it. And put this on the side. Inside, we got a couple of things going on. I like the way they packed it. Oh, they got it all. Oh, wait a minute. We got some stuff inside here, too. We got some more stuff deep down inside. This is the other end of the power. Yep. That's the other end of the power right there. What else we got here? So here is the heater. This right here, submersible aquarium heater. Next up, oh, they even gave us, oh, it's all on one little thing right here. So what we got there? Oh, they glued it. They glued it all on here. Right here, we got a water tester vial. So you can test your water right here with that. Down at the bottom here is the actual pump. Let me get this off. So they got this thing like glued. Yeah. So here is a thermometer right here. It tells you the temperature of your water. You will always have that. Of course, that's the net for getting the fish out. And let me see, can I grab this out? They got, I didn't realize they had, yeah, everything is kind of glued. And here is your power filter right here. This is going to power all this up. Let me see, can I get this out?
Later that same evening.
Hey, I'm sorry, you guys. The last end of my unboxing videos, for some reason, the video didn't come out right. So I'm going to just be skipping right to the finished product. Here's the tank all set up. Check it out. Even got the babies in there. Look at the babies. Ooh, that tank look good right there. This was the old tank right there. I cleaned that out. We're actually giving that away to someone. After the mollies get big, we're going to give them a couple of mollies. But here's the new one, though. Check it out. They're all in there. I don't know. I guess there's about 50 of them. Look at them. They're all at the bottom. I bought a big flower to go right in the middle. That boy looks so good. I'm glad I decided to get the tall one, though. Here's a side view of it. He come out there. So like I say, we're gonna wait till he get a little bigger. We're gonna try to give them away, or we'll give them a lot of them to the fish store for some credit, you know, to get some other stuff. But that's how they look right there. Look at them. Zoom in there. So this is the finished product, you know. Like always, you know, I'll definitely have a link in the description right here. Oh, as you can see, there's the heater, and on this side, there's the thermometer. As you can see, that's right at 80. I usually like to keep it at 79, 80. So that's cool, that's perfect. And then there's the top of the tank. And as you can see, this is how you feed them. Just open that up, feed them. There's the pump right there in the back. Easy peasy. Nice tank. Definitely you guys need to check it out. TopFin. Hey, see you guys on the next one.